People often say that nice guys get left behind. But is that really true? This is the story of Noah, a gentle teenager with a strong heart. He follows the rules, respects others, and believes in kindness. But in a world where being nice often gets misunderstood, will Noah keep being himself or give up trying? Let's find out in this inspiring and emotional story. Nice guys don't quit. Noah Reynolds was 16. He lived in a small town in Indiana. He wasn't flashy. He didn't wear trendy clothes or play sports. He wasn't popular. But he was kind, and that mattered more to him. He helped his grandma in the garden. He taught little kids how to read. He once found a phone on the street and returned it to the owner. People called him a nice guy. Some said it as a compliment, some said it as a joke. One afternoon at school, Noah sat in the corner of the cafeteria, reading a book. 3 boys sat across the room, laughing loudly. They were the popular ones. One of them, Zach, looked over and said, "Hey, Noah. Reading again? What are you, a teacher?" Noah looked up and smiled. "Books are fun." Zach and the boys laughed. "You're too nice for this world," Zach teased. "Someday someone's going to walk all over you." Noah looked back at his book. He didn't reply. But deep inside, he wondered, do people think being nice is weak? A few days later, something changed. A new student arrived. Her name was Emily. She had a soft voice and a thoughtful face. She was quiet like Noah and sat beside him in history class. "Hi," she said kindly. "I'm Emily." "You're Noah, right?" "Yeah," he nodded. "Nice to meet you." "Someone told me you're good at writing essays," she said. "Would you mind helping me sometime?" "Sure," Noah replied with a gentle smile, every day after school. They studied together in the library. They grew close. They talked about dreams, music, books. Emily once told him, "You make people feel calm." "I like that about you." But of course, the popular boys noticed. One day, Zach leaned against Noah's locker. "You and Emily, huh?" he said. "Careful, man. Girls don't want good guys. They like excitement. Danger." Noah frowned. "She's my friend." "Yeah, but friends don't win," Zach smirked. Noah didn't say anything. But it hurt. Later that week, Zach handed Noah a small card. Party. Friday night. Come if you want to stop being boring. Noah didn't party. He preferred quiet evenings and long walks. But something about the note made him pause. What if people were right? What if being too nice meant being left behind? He told himself, just go. Try once. Maybe things will change. On Friday night, Noah wore his cleanest shirt and walked to the party. The place was packed. Loud music. Laughter. Teens dancing, yelling, drinking. Zach spotted him. Noah? You showed up? He grinned. Didn't bring a book, did you? Noah smiled awkwardly. Then, he saw Emily sitting alone on the back porch, looking uneasy. He walked up to her. You okay? He asked. I don't like this party, she whispered. It's too loud. Want to leave? She nodded. Yes. They left together. As they walked under the streetlights, Emily said, You don't belong at parties like that, Noah. And that's okay. You don't need to change. You're already the kind of person the world needs more of. But people call me boring, soft, Noah said quietly. Emily stopped walking and looked at him. You're strong, Noah. Strong enough to be kind. That's rare. Noah felt something shift inside him. A calm pride. He was done pretending. Noah and Emily stayed close. They both worked hard in school. Noah earned a scholarship to study environmental science. Emily became a photographer. Zach? He didn't go to college. He still posted photos of wild nights, but something seemed empty in his smile. At graduation, Noah was asked to give a speech. He said, Many people told me I was too quiet, too kind, too different. But I've learned that being kind is not a weakness. It's a strength. So to anyone out there who feels too soft, don't quit. You're exactly what the world needs. The crowd clapped. Even Zach nodded slowly. Nice guys don't quit. They lead with respect. They win with patience. They grow stronger with time. In a world full of noise, the silent power of kindness still stands tall. Thanks for listening to Nice Guys Don't Quit. Want more easy English stories? Like, share, and subscribe for meaningful content that helps you improve your English while touching your heart.